2026 Bugatti Motorhome is a groundbreaking fusion of hyper-luxury performance and opulent living on wheels, setting a new benchmark in the high-end recreational vehicle industry. Bugatti, renowned for its unmatched engineering and cutting-edge design, has reimagined the concept of mobile living by blending its automotive DNA with the world of motorhomes, creating an experience that is both thrilling and extraordinarily comfortable. From the moment the Bugatti Motorhome comes into view, it commands attention with its signature C-line silhouette, carbon fiber accents, and bold aerodynamic curves. The exterior embodies elegance and performance, designed to reduce drag while emphasizing visual dominance. LED matrix headlights, flush retractable panels, and bespoke alloy wheels further distinguish this machine from anything else on the road. The front of the motorhome retains the spirit of Bugatti's performance legacy. It features a modified quad-turbo W16 engine generating over 1,200 horsepower, adapted with a hybrid system for improved efficiency and range. This setup allows the motorhome to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, an unheard-of feat in this segment. Despite its size, the Bugatti Motorhome maintains driving dynamics that are sharper than many luxury sedans. The interior of the Bugatti Motorhome feels like a private jet suite. Every detail is crafted with precision, using the finest materials available: hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, carbon fiber inlays, and brushed aluminum controls. The main living area is spacious and meticulously designed, offering a combination of minimalist aesthetics and functional elegance. Custom lighting systems adapt to mood and time of day, enhancing the overall ambience. A retractable lounge space extends outward when parked, increasing floor area dramatically. Within this extension lies a designer sofa with massaging functions, a touchscreen entertainment hub, and integrated surround sound system developed in partnership with DVLET. The windows are electrochromic, allowing occupants to tint them with a touch, ensuring privacy and temperature control. The Bugatti Motorhome's kitchen is an engineering marvel in itself. Compact yet luxurious, it features induction cooktops, a concealed refrigerator, self-cleaning oven, and an automated pantry system. Italian marble countertops and soft close cabinetry add to the richness of the space. Every appliance is connected to the central AI system, which manages power usage and can even suggest meals based on stored ingredients. The bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring a king-size adaptive mattress, ambient sound insulation, and a panoramic skylight. Integrated scent diffusers and customizable temperature zones ensure personalized comfort. Smart glass walls can transform the space from transparent to opaque, maintaining openness while providing privacy when desired. The bathroom is no less impressive, resembling a high-end spa. It includes a rainfall shower with aromatherapy settings, a Japanese-style smart toilet, and a digital mirror that displays weather, time, and health statistics. All surfaces are antimicrobial and self-cleaning, maintaining hygiene standards effortlessly. Technologically, the Bugatti Motorhome is a marvel. It features autonomous driving capabilities enhanced by lidar, radar, and camera systems. When parked, it can align itself using satellite positioning to optimize solar panel exposure or achieve the best view. The AI co-pilot can take over driving completely on long hauls or urban environments, allowing owners to relax and enjoy the journey. A suite of connectivity options ensures that passengers are always online. 6G capability, satellite internet backup, and an encrypted onboard server make it a digital fortress. Smart device integration allows users to control lighting, climate, and entertainment via voice or gestures, and holographic displays offer futuristic interaction modes. The Bugatti Motorhome is also eco-conscious. Solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof supply auxiliary power, while regenerative braking and hybrid drive modes contribute to energy efficiency. It features an onboard greywater recycling system and composting technology to reduce environmental impact. Storage is both ample and innovative. Hidden compartments, climate-controlled drawers, and modular overhead units provide space for luggage, tools, and even luxury gear like golf clubs or diving equipment. A hidden garage can even accommodate a small Bugatti electric scooter or compact roadster. Security is handled by biometric access systems, 360-degree cameras with AI threat detection, and remote monitoring via a satellite link. The vehicle can also activate security lockdown protocols when threats are detected nearby, ensuring peace of mind even in remote areas. Ride comfort is ensured by an adaptive air suspension system derived from Bugatti's hypercars. This system automatically adjusts to road conditions and driving modes, delivering a supremely smooth ride whether cruising the Autobahn or traversing rugged mountain routes. Customization is a major part of the Bugatti Motorhome experience. Clients can choose from a palette of bespoke finishes, interior layouts, and technology packages. Each unit is hand-built to order at a dedicated facility, with a concierge team guiding owners through every stage of creation. On the road, the Bugatti Motorhome is as much a symbol of prestige as it is a mobile sanctuary. Drivers report an unmatched sense of control and presence, while passengers are treated to one of the most luxurious environments ever created on wheels. In a market crowded with generic luxury RVs, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome stands in a class of its own. It redefines what it means to travel in style, offering unmatched performance, luxury, and innovation. It's not just a motorhome, it's a vision of the future crafted by a brand that has always dared to push boundaries.